Fa Dreams Media timakunyadirani kwambiri chifukwa munapanga chisankho chotsatira ife kuti tizikupatsirani zonse zomwe zikuchitika mdziko muno.
So hapa mkumba kweoya na huyu Mumba huyu. Akulu Mumba, brother, I think you need to let go. I want you to let go. You are making a fool of us Northerners, all of us. Because you have lost elections, fair and square. Mwaluza tu elections yo. Chumene mufuna jani jani. Alafu basali mpata chakwera wanu yo. Kaya muma musungira ndalama kama mpangira business. Kwa maifezimeno sizu kutikuta. Amalawi asanka Peter Mutharika kuti akali president wao. My elections awawa palibe sozo kuti kukhala rerun. Kapilani ku court ngati mukufila aggrieved. Go to court like what you did last time. Kuti mukhale mboma. But as it stands now, Malawians have made a decision. Decision yake ndi yakuti Peter Mutharika and the president. Iweyo ndi gulu lako, pack up and leave. Pack up and leave. Chakwera wawoyo, family yake, atengane, apite kumena manga zinyumba zao zabwino, akakhale kumeneko. Azidikilira milandu ya kupakwa Saulos Chilima. Iweyo zidikilira milandu yako ya mapassporti, oil zimene unapanga zicho. Because noseni mukupita kundende. Nthawi ino achimwene, omzara, taona kukaya ise, wena mpoto. Let me tell you this, bro. Nthawi ino sita wambiri. Pakali panopa, sunga mabwele pa podium iweyo. Ndukumane na audit bange audit, data audit. You want to audit data, fine. But didn't the opposition parties come to you prior to elections and asked you if we could audit the machines? And what did you say? Munakana. Because you had the delusions that you have, the things that you were told, because Muma Munamiza Chakwera ni president Mozi Opanda Nzelu, Demu Mapita Guamuforo Guzela Kuti Bana, Tiwina my elections, my machine, watukutua menama in the cellar, Timenya landslide. You were telling him. You were fooling that man. Chakwera never read a book. That man doesn't even know anything about quantum physics. Don't know anything about psychology. He doesn't even understand who Chancellor Dakem is. Deviance, political deviance, and everything. Samaziziwa. Inuyo mati ma-engineer mapita kwa yeo kanamiza. Zako kachaji. Kagulu konse nde achina chimwendo mmaga munamiza mkulu cha kuti mukuidziwa strategy of winning my elections. You don't have the intelligent people around you. Actually, the most intelligent people in MCP, Munabanga push out. Because Chakwera was trying to prepare you to lead that political party. But he was also preparing you for your downfall. This is your downfall, bro. The inevitable. You cannot delay the inevitable, my brother. So get the fuck out. Okay? Leave. DPP, you have great president. Wow. Okay? You will not be there. You are not going to be a clog in this wheel. This is the wheel of change. We are not going to sit here and watch you delay the inevitability, brother. Things have changed. Wopita misonkhano mano mapanga mapressers and wamona zako Jessica, she is quiet now. She made some serious utterances. Yankula wambiri. Because my brother, when the winds of change are blowing, even a young boy in the village is going to repudiate you. For real, my friend. So, because You are so delusional. I think you suffer from a serious form of dementia, delusions of grandeur. You have a psychosis that needs to be addressed by an expert. I think it's time for you to go and address it. Because the more you talk, the more you expose your inability to understand how deep this well runs, how deep Malawians hate MCP. Okay? So please shut up. Let the process go accordingly as Meg planned it. Let them announce who is the winner so that they can inaugurate Peter Mutharika, and let the DPP people run government, because they have been mandated by Malawians. In your mandate, yata. It's finished. Zainuyo zata. You are making a lot of noise. Muzane kwa MCP kwa nuwe. Feo tibu ya you kumadu do general. MCP headquarters. Malwa that is prime land. Timurese was in Zofuni Gila Bajabosa di Kakuruka and my tribalists, I won't know longer Malawi to avoid the rest. You are lucky you even tested 5 years of governance, my brother. You were not supposed to come back. And you Mumba, you really thought Malawians are stupid enough to vote you and Chakwera after he killed his own vice president? My man, how deluded can one be, bro? What's up? Shut up, man. Listen, these press statements you are issuing, they are only going to be delaying the process. But you cannot delay the inevitability, bro. Things are happening behind the scenes. People have decided. From now on, nobody will want to be associated with you. You'll be a stench that nobody wants to be around, even to breathe the same air as you, bro. Try to galvanize, save the last breath of you. Just at least save yourself. Everyone, Kachumendo Banda, Gotani, they are already realigning. They are realigning. It's only you. What are you trying to do? You see, the problem is you were given this power and they made you believe that you are going to be the vice president, then later president of the country. And you cannot believe that dream is gone. Brother, the electoral process in Malawi works. It's functional. There are countries in this world that cannot change presidents the way Malawians do. But we do it. And you are not the first one to be removed from office. There were people, like Kilimuzi was going for the third term. Where is he now? Joyce Banda would have easily shut down the system and continued to rule. Where is she now? And who is Chakwera? Who are you? Who do you think you are? Come on, man. Inauguration is happening next week. And you guys get out of the way. Mumba, watch out. I'm giving you brotherly advice. Watch out. You have made a lot of enemies, a lot of mistakes. You are really going to Maula, bro, because you really committed violations that require prosecution, and you will be prosecuted.
Tikwemekeni kumanso kuthokozani popanga chisankho chokhala pamenepa kumvetsera kumanso kuonera zomwe takubweretserani. Chomwe tingakupempheni choti ngati muli alendo pamudzi pano tapangani subscribe, chifukwa mukatero inu ndi ife tidzendera limodzi kuyambira lero mpaka na masiku omwe akubwera kusogoloko. Timabweratu ndi nkhani zochokera ngodya zonse zinayi za mdziko lino, kotero kuti inu simukuyenera kuti mukhale kunja kwa nkhani zimenezi. Tapangani subscribe, like, comment, komanso share kuti tikhale limodzi mu ulendo umenewu.